Creative and fun learning. Build a miniature village. In the heart of a bustling playroom, under the soft glow of a warm yellow light, a group of eager children sat around a long wooden table. The air was filled with excitement and anticipation. Today was Friday, their favorite day, as it meant it was time for the creative and fun learning activity. Their teacher, with a twinkle in her eye, announced, "All right, children, today we are going to build our very own miniature village." With wide eyes, the children looked at their assortment of miniature houses, buildings, trees, and roads spread out before them on the table. Each piece was colorful, intricately detailed, and filled with possibilities. The teacher encouraged them to imagine a village in their minds. One by one, the children began to create their very own miniature villages. They placed houses, buildings, trees, and roads where they thought best suited them. The table quickly filled with colorful, tiny structures, each unique in its layout and design. As they worked, each child added their own special touch to their village, a miniature figure here, a decorative accessory there. They breathed life into their creations and watched with pride as they came to life before their eyes. The teacher walked around the table, admiring each unique creation. She saw smiles on the faces of her students as they proudly showed off their villages. Their imagination and creativity shone through in every detail. As the villages were completed, the teacher called the children together. With a smile on her face, she announced, "It's time to share our creations." Excitement filled the room as each child eagerly waited for their turn. One by one, each child presented their creation to the group. They spoke passionately about their choices, sharing stories about the characters and events in their villages. The room was filled with laughter, admiration, and awe. The teacher thanked each child for their hard work and creativity. She reminded them that learning can be fun, and that they should continue to use their imagination in their daily lives. As the activity came to a close, each child took their miniature village home. They couldn't wait to show it off to their families and friends. The teacher smiled as she watched her students leave, knowing that they had learned a valuable lesson about imagination and creativity. At home, each child played with their miniature village, adding new buildings, characters, and events. They learned about architecture, geography, and even a little history as they continued to build and play. The following week, the children gathered once again in the playroom. Their faces lit up as they saw each other's new creations. They shared ideas, inspired one another, and continued to learn and grow through their imagination. The creative and fun learning activity had been a huge success. The children learned about imagination, creativity, and hands-on learning through building their very own miniature villages. They couldn't wait to continue learning and growing together in the playroom.